Do the more.
What, bitch?
Do the more.
Yeah, whoa.
Do the more.
Yeah, woo.
Do the more.
Yeah, whoa. Damn.
Niggas tryna flex like Mar.
Like Mar.
Fuck bitches, no X like Mar.
Yeah.
Pull up and
Yeah, Lilmar, no, for real, that way. Yeah, welcome back to another financial advice video, guys, and today I'm about to talk to y'all about the new plays of what's going on in cryptocurrencies. Now, I know it's been a while since I made a type of video like this, really since the whole Dogecoin wave. If you took my advice when I made that video about 3 months ago, you could have made a really decent profit. I'm not going to talk about my success with Dogecoin. Honestly, to be completely honest with you, I didn't make that much because really I didn't have diamond hands, which I do a little bit regret, but not that much because like I said, I wasn't really early with Dogecoin. Like I jumped in when it was like almost a cent or just right below a cent. Now these coins that I'm talking about today, they're like just beginning. They're like a fraction of a cent. So they still have a lot of potential and they're going to make a lot of people millionaires. But Dogecoin, like I said, I wasn't as early with it and I didn't have diamond hands. So I'm not going to make that same mistake this time. I'm jumping in these new cryptocurrencies and I'm just going to ride them to the rocket. And I hope you guys join me along because there's millions of people that are already on this train, and I'm just sharing the knowledge with you guys so that I want to help everybody out and help everybody become successful because there's plenty of money out there to be made. Now, basically, if you've just been living under a rock and don't know, Elon Musk went up to about, I think his all-time high was 75 cents after because Elon Musk, he was just pumping it and pumping it. He went on SNL and now he's sending a SpaceX rocket to the moon with that's paid for by Doge and he's accepting it as a currency and everything. So there's been a lot of new cryptocurrencies that are basically copying Dogecoin and trying to become the next Dogecoin, which might sound pretty ridiculous. That like it's been like the cryptocurrency market is basically becoming a zoo now, and it's honestly funny and ridiculous at the same time. But I can't knock their hustle because, like I said, these are actually making people millionaires and helping people become successful. So I mean, as long as something's making people money, you know, I really can't, you know, judge it. So today I'm going to talk to you about all these new cryptocurrencies. I'm not going to talk about how to buy them because some of them are actually really complicated, but I will do that in a separate video probably tomorrow or the day after. I'll give you like a quick rundown of how to buy them because one of them is actually simple, and then I'll tell you guys about each cryptocurrency and why I think it is a good play and all that. So we'll start with Shiba. That one is the most easiest one to buy as of right now. Shiba Inu is like I said, these are all coins named after Japanese and dogs. So it's like they're all just copying Dogecoin, but it's actually been working out. Shiba is actually number 16 on the coin marketplace right now. It's just been going crazy. They have over like 200 holders right now, but you can buy that one. That one was listed on crypto.com. I'll put the link down in the description. If you use my referral link, you can get $25 free of cryptos. I think you have to get their Visa card first, but they do offer a rewards program. So I'll put a link down in the description. That one, like I said, you can buy that easily. Now, these other ones, such as SafeMoon, we'll start with that one. That one is a BEP20 token, and what that means is it's tradable with a currency called BNB. So basically, you have to download either you have to download a wallet. There's MetaMask and there's Trust Wallet. I prefer Trust Wallet, but either works just fine. And then once you have those apps, you have to buy the currency of BNB. You can either do that on Coinbase, Binance, whatever, and then transfer it to the wallet, or I think you can actually buy it in Trust Wallet. However, they are usually sold out through their partners, so it is better to just transfer it to a different wallet from a different wallet. And then what you will do is you will have to there's an app once you go to their browser. It's called Pancake Swap, and then you have to exchange it. Like I said, I'll show you guys a detailed explanation in another video. And then as for these other cryptocurrencies, HOKK Inu, Kishu Inu, Akita Inu, all the dog coins, those are through ERC20, meaning you will need Ethereum, ETH, and it's basically the same process you have to use, but that one you have to use Uniswap to exchange them to that. But it's really complicated. It took me a long time because honestly, I just joined SafeMoon about a week ago. And I wanted to invest a lot like a month ago before it went up 150%, but I just could not figure out how to buy it. So I'm going to do that in a separate video and show you guys the full detailed explanation about how to buy all these coins. But today I'm going to go give you a rundown and explain to you why these are actually very good long-term plays, because a lot of people think that these are just like pumping ups, just like Dogecoin, or that they're just meme coins, they're shit coins. That's what they call them, shit coins. To each their own, you can say that, but like I said, some of these have already made people millions of dollars within 2 months. Just 2 months. Like Shiba has already made people that invested $500 2 months ago over $1 million. So it might be a shit coin, but it's worth the potential risk to invest in it and just, you know, take that chance, because who wouldn't want to turn $500 into $1 million? Like, honestly. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to start with SafeMoon, because that's not one of these dog coins. This one, like I said, this is the one that I really wanted to invest in. I'm sure you guys have heard of it because it's been trending a lot. Let me just give you guys a little bit of information about it and why I think that it is a good cryptocurrency to invest in. For one, they have a really strong, loyal community. Honestly, all of these cryptocurrencies do as of right now, but SafeCoin is the biggest now, right? As of right now, they have 1.9 million holders. And it's just been going crazy. They have a really good dev team, and like I've read some of the like projects that they're working on, and they actually do have a bright future, in my opinion. Like for one, they're working on something called SafeMoon wallet. Now that'll be something similar to basically Coinbase wallet or anything. You'll be able to buy SafeMoon specifically through their wallet and hold it in their wallet. You'll probably even be able to hold other cryptocurrencies. So once that is released, it is going to go crazy. So that's why I say, like, it is. I was a little bit late on this one. I only have like a couple 10 million coins. It's still early. Like, it's still early. Like I said, Dogecoin, I didn't even have more than 100,000 coins because it was already a cent. But these are still cryptocurrencies that are valued at fractions of a cent. So it's still very early to jump in these and just hope that they have a great future. So like I said, they have 1.9 million holders as of right now. They have a $4 billion market cap. That's pretty good. I think Dogecoin is at 85 million or something around that. So they're already at 4 billion. That's pretty decent. And you know, the bigger they get, you know, the higher they'll go. So they do have a high cap of coins. However, they've been burning coins. So market cap is determined on based of how many coins, like supply and demand, basically. So if a coin has like 1 trillion coins or you know, 100 trillion coins or whatever, there's not enough money in the world to purchase all them coins, so it'll never, you know, reach a high market cap. But recently they have burned 414 trillion coins, which is great news. And if they continue to do that, I definitely see a bright future for SafeMoon. So that's definitely a great play right there. All right, and now let's go to all these Inu coins, these Shiba, HOKK, Kishu, Akita. I'm not going to talk about Akita because I don't have Akita in my portfolio. I was honestly going through all of them, and I just didn't really well, for one, I didn't really like their website. They don't really have a lot of information. I'm sure they're a good project, but I don't really, I'm not just going to talk about a currency that I haven't invested in or that I have no information on, so I'm not going to talk about that one. But we'll start with Shiba coin, okay? So they've been getting a lot of hype recently. I'm sure you've seen it trending on Twitter a couple of times within the last couple of days. Like I said, they announced themselves as a Dogecoin copy, and they plan on overtaking Dogecoin. I honestly don't expect it to just go crazy like that. It took Dogecoin 8 years. Like, let's be realistic. It's not gonna happen like that. However, there is money to be made in this coin, and there still is. Like I said, they're the biggest as of right now. They're number 16 on coin market cap. I'm not sure exactly what their market cap is right now, but half of their tokens are also locked away. So kind of like how SafeMoon had burned some of their tokens, half of Shibas are locked away. So that's great news as well. They're also working on something called Shiba Swap. I believe that would be something like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, all the where I was telling you how to buy these cryptocurrencies. I believe they're going to make something like that. I don't have a lot of information on it, but whatever it is, it definitely has room for potential to definitely go really higher up. And like I said, it's still pretty cheap right now. You can't get I think I only have like I said, just a couple 10 million coins, because I didn't just I didn't invest thousands of dollars. These are really high risk, high reward investments, so don't invest more than you can afford, honestly. But if you just have like a couple $100 laying around, and like I said, Shiba was the easiest one to buy. All you gotta do is go on crypto.com and buy it, because with Uniswap and PancakeSwap, they do charge a high gas fee, like, to exchange it. It's like if you're gonna want to buy it, I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow, but you're gonna want to make sure you transfer at least like a couple $300 to $400, because they, especially recently with the high volume, it's been ridiculous to try to, like, you're gonna have to pay a high exchange fee. So just keep that in mind. But Shiba, crypto.com is charging no fees right now to buy it, and just click the link in my description and sign up, and it's easy to buy, one click of a button, and you can do it with a debit or a credit card. Okay, now we might move on to HOKK Inu. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but HOKK, I just call it HOKK because that's the tag for it. HOKK Inu, they're one of my favorites because this one is just like really undervalued right now. It's very cheap, and you can get, I think I have like 100 billion coins on it right now. If you invest a couple $100 you're gonna get a couple, you're gonna get tens of billions of coins, but as the price goes up, you're not gonna be able to get as many, so you better jump in quick. But basically, I really like this one because they redistribute. They charge a 10% tax fee for each transaction you do. So if you buy or sell, and although that turns a lot of people off because they don't want to, they don't like that fee, it's very helpful because 5% of the coins are, I think, burned as far as I know, and then the other 5% are redistributed to each shareholder. So if you're just holding their coin in your wallet, you're going to automatically get, like, I've been gaining millions of new coins a day just from all the transactions going through, people buying and selling, all the shareholders. It's redistributed through all of us. So that's absolutely amazing. And it also lowers the supply because there's not as many coins on the market anymore because they're all, going to us. So every time you make a transaction, you're just helping us out. You're if you're you're not in the diamond hands, you're not holding. If you sell early, you're helping us out because we're getting more coins. Our value is going up. So I really like that about them. Also, they just got listed on Whitebit today, May 11th. They just got listed today. And like I said, this is still very, very early. They're planning on getting listed on a lot of more exchange sites as well as all of these cryptocurrencies. So the sooner they do that, there's going to be way more transactions because it's going to be easier for people to buy and sell. Like right now, you have to go through a lot of loopholes to buy it. But once they get listed on more exchange sites, it's going to just go absolutely insane. It is definitely going to go up to the moon. It could definitely get to where Shiba is. Probably not right away, at least a couple months. Because like I said, it took Shiba, but it really only took Shiba 2-3 months. So for people to make millions from $500. So honestly, you better hurry up and get in this before it's too late. That's all I'm going to say about that. They also have a really low market cap. I think it's only like 350 million or something like that. It's very early to get in, and it's amazing. Their tokens are locked as well. I think they also, a lot of these coins, they sent half of the coins to the CEO of Ethereum. That way they're locked. There's a lower supply and they're just locked. Nobody can access them because he's not going to sell them, so that keeps the market cap higher because there's not as much as a supply. Okay, now the last one I'm going to talk about is Kishu Inu. Now, I really love this one because it's been growing fast. Now, this one is actually very new, so I really recommend this one. Probably more than HOKK. Well, definitely more than Shiba. I recommend this one because it's a fast-growing community. Within the last 2 days, they've gained over 50,000 new holders. Right now, they're at 75,000. And this coin was only made, I think, 24 days ago. So it's very, very, very new. And you can get tens of millions of coins for very cheap with this one. They do the same thing with HOKK. They redistribute. They charge that 10% fee for transactions, and then they redistribute to everybody. So I love that they do that, and it helps redistribute it and everything like so. So that's amazing. They also have a $1 billion market cap. They just hit that today. Like last night, I believe, because I just invested this for like 2 days ago, and I was watching it all last night, and it was only at like a $500 market cap when I invested. But now it's already at a $1 billion market cap. So it's very, like I said, SafeMoon's at $4 billion. So it's really quickly going to approach them very soon. And I've also heard a lot of rumors about Binance listing. If you don't know what Binance is, that's one of the exchange sites. Like I said, once these all get listed on exchange sites, they're going to go crazy because it's going to be easier to buy and sell them. So you want to hurry up and invest in these. Even if you have to pay that high gas fee, you want to do that before they go, to the moon. You don't want to miss out on these. Like I said, you might as well just go ahead and jump in these early, because if you missed out on Dogecoin, this is your second opportunity. This is another chance, and people, luckily, fortunately for some people, they were the first, within the first couple of days, they took a chance and, they made millions. So congratulations to them, but just know it's not late at all. This is a fast growing community. This is the fastest growing one that I've seen so far. And just, like I said, just hold on to these. Don't sell early. We're trying to become millionaires, okay? Don't sell for no. There's a lot of people that I've seen that have been selling for $20,000 profit, and they're like, damn, if I would have still been holding, I would have 500,000 right now. So just don't sell early. Don't sell for no thousands of dollars of profits. Let's all hold this together and just watch our coins go up, especially the ones that are, redistributing coins to us from transactions. You might as well just hold on and watch our value go up. So yeah, I really recommend, like I said, Kishu, HOKK, Shiba, and SafeMoon for a long-term thing, because I just really love SafeMoon. I love their community. But Shiba, HOKK, and Kishu have really like short-term fast gains in my opinion, but I'm still gonna hold them long-term anyway just to see how they do, because like I said, if I had held Dogecoin for over a year, but I only had it for like a month, and then I was just ready to get rid of it, so I sold pretty early. But this time I'm not gonna make that same mistake, and I hope you guys don't either. I hope you guys listen to my advice and don't miss out on this opportunity. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of other Doge coins, but like there's Kishu Inu, there's Sansu Inu, Poodle. There's so many different coins. I've even heard of Pig Finance. There's just so many. Like I know a lot of them you guys think are pumping up, which they probably are, but these are the ones that I like the most because they actually have potential, honestly. And I see a great future in them. And like I said, I was right about Dogecoin, so you might as well take my advice this time as well and take a chance with me. And maybe we can get rich together. Who knows? But anyways, I do gotta give you guys a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I would not be held liable for any losses you incur due to this. And just don't invest more than you can afford to lose, because these are like really high risk investments, but there's a high opportunity for reward. So honestly, it's worth the investment. Just even if it's just like $50, just invest whatever you can do and just let it sit there and see what it does. Because there's some people who have even turned $50 even to $5,000, and that's great right there. $50 to $5,000, that's nice. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, I'm sweating right now because I've been sitting in this hot car with no AC for 20 minutes. I didn't expect this video to be for this long. Next time I'll definitely turn on the AC because this is just embarrassing. But like I said, my next video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to buy all these coins as of right now that aren't listed on exchange websites, because the only one you can buy on crypto.com is Shiba, but the other ones you have to go through a whole lot of loopholes to buy them. So I'm going to show you guys how to do all that in my next video, which should be coming either tomorrow or the day after. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to click the subscribe button down below. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at @TheRealLilmar. Follow me on Snapchat, Lilmar. And yeah, I wish you all the best of luck with all of your investments, even if you choose not to follow my advice. Good luck, and let's all get rich.
I used to be just like you with hopes, goals, and dreams. They say clout's a drug, but shit better than being lonely. I don't even give a fuck about followers, nigga. I don't want a trophy, bitch. Just trying to blow up one day and make my mama proud.